Hello YouTube, Cajun Kevin here. I stopped here for a little break. I'm riding my Grombo. If you haven't already noticed, most of my content is about nature, back roads, country roads, trails. You know, just looking at the flag just relaxes you. Something about a flag flying. So anyway, I decided, being I was back here, I was going to take y'all on a nice little road. I haven't ridden this road in a while, so it may have changed, I'm not sure. But we're going to go ahead and take a ride. I'm in a little community called Fobo. This is a substation, a fire station. If anyone knows how old this is, please let me know. I pass in front of it often. Steel wheels. I love old things like that. You ready, Grombo? Another pretty day here in Louisiana. You know, like most people, it gets hectic at work. 5 days a week, 6 days a week sometimes. And you just want to get away from everything. I do anyway. That's how I relax. This is like therapy for me. I don't ride much in the city. Don't get me wrong, I do. I would love to one day live back here. Or further down, I'll show you. This used to be all farm homes many years ago. And it looked like they tore down most of them and built more modern homes. Bales of hay. We ship a lot of hay to Houston, Texas area, our neighbors, because of their droughts. They don't have as much hay as we do. This home here used to belong to a good friend of mine. He sold this house and built one of those modern homes, and he still regrets it. This is all his land back here. We used to ride dirt bikes. Most of this was his land, and all the other land here, he knew everyone back here, so we used to just come with the dirt bikes and just have a blast back here. You know, nobody messed with us. You know, as long as you respected people's land, you were fine. Look at it. There's another new home coming up. I could ride these country roads all day long. It feels like I'm 100 miles away from the city, but actually I'm only like maybe 15, 15 minutes away from the city. Yeah, all this, we brought our dirt bikes all back up in here. Well, look at here. God they don't. God they don't means look what I see. The bridge is closed. Oh no. I wanted to take you guys further up this way. Let's turn the bike off. Hear that? Nothing. Just quiet. That barn is over 100 years old. It's still being used. You know, the people who built it, you know, long gone, of course, but the building is still standing. I've seen this barn here when I was a kid. It was here when I was a kid. I'll give you a view. Now tell me the truth. Wouldn't you prefer living out here compared to the city? There's Grumbo. I tell you what, the more I ride that bike, the more I love it. I'm not sure why they shut the bridge down. Got me curious here. God, they don't. Look at here. Wonder if my Grom would climb that. I don't think so. But anyway, the further you go this way, the prettier it gets. The land gets kind of hilly. No sounds. There's hay back here again. More hay. There's hay everywhere in my parish. Or like in some places, y'all call them counties. This is the parish. Well, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope it relaxed y'all some. It sure did for me. If you like my content, if you like this video, hit like. If you like the content that I'm putting out, and I plan on putting out better content as I go, you know, subscribe. I have more videos coming. Have a good day. Be safe.